Good afternoon, friends. I Miss Amruta C. Menkure, Assistant Professor, Navasayatra Institute of Pharmacy, Naigaon, Pune. Today, going to deliver a seminar on quality assurance and quality management concept. So, as you all can see in the diagram, I have shown there is a difference between the quality control, quality assurance, and quality management. Okay, so what is the quality control? Means in while manufacturing of the formulation, we are controlling the quality. We are formulating the formulation in such a way that the quality of the product will be achieved of a high quality. Quality assurance means we have to cross check whatever we have manufactured, is its quality matches with the standard, is it within the range of the standards, and is it safe, is it pure, and then we have to sign that formulation and release into the market. And quality management, overall process of managing. Okay, so it includes the planning, doing, checking, and accordingly to take the corrective action. Okay, so this all is mean by the quality assurance and quality management concept. So first of all, you should know what is meant by quality. Every pharmaceutical product should comply with the following four parameters, that is identity, strength, safety, efficacy and purity to get the required effect of the product. म्हणजे क्वालिटी आपण कधी म्हणू शकतो एखाद्या प्रोडक्टला, जेव्हा त्याला आयडेंटिटी इझिली आयडेंटिफाय होईल, त्याची स्ट्रेंथ, त्याचा डोस एक्झॅक्ट असेल, तो सेफ असेल, इफिशियंट मीन्स इफेक्टिव्ह, त्याचा थेरापेटिक इफेक्ट त्याचा व्यवस्थित आपल्याला मिळत असेल, तो प्युअर असेल. इफ ऑल दिस 5 parameters are there in our product, then we are saying that our product is of a good quality. The regulatory authorities all over the world have unanimously accepted that a pharmaceutical product which fulfills above 5 mentioned characteristics can be accepted as a quality product. म्हणजे ऑल ओव्हर द वर्ल्ड ज्या काही रेग्युलेटरी ऑथॉरिटीज आहेत, जसं की FDA आहे, WHO आहे, ते सर्वांचं म्हणणं काय की जेव्हा ह्या 5 क्वालिटीज एखाद्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये असतील तेव्हा आपण त्या प्रोडक्टला गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट असं म्हणत असतो. ओके, सो what is meant by the quality control? According to WHO, quality control is a part of a GMP, that is good manufacturing practices, concerned with sampling, specification, testing with the organization, documentation and release procedures, which ensures that the necessary and relevant tests are carried out and that material are neither released nor used nor products released for the sale or supply until their quality has been satisfactory. म्हणजे क्वालिटी कंट्रोल म्हणजे काय की पूर्ण प्रोसेस त्याच्यामध्ये येतात, जसं की सॅम्पलिंग येतं आहे, स्पेसिफिकेशन्स त्याच्या स्टँडर्डशी मॅच होतात की नाही, टेस्टिंग येतं आहे, डॉक्युमेंटेशन येते, रिलीज प्रोसिजर येते, आणि जोपर्यंत ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी एखाद्या प्रोडक्टच्या त्याच्या टेस्ट त्याच्या जे काही रिक्वायर्ड आहेत त्या कॅरी आउट केल्या जात नाहीत, जोपर्यंत तो प्रोडक्ट सेफ आहे सप्लाय करण्यासाठी हे डिसाईड केलं जात नाही, तोपर्यंत दॅट प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट रिलीज्ड इन टू द मार्केट. ओके, until its quality has been marked as a satisfactory. Quality control not confined to the laboratory operation but should be involved in all decisions concerning the quality of the product. Next, according to MCC, the definition of a quality control is: quality control is a part of a GMP which is related with the organizing, documentation and release procedures which ensure that the necessary and relevant tests are carried out, that material are not released for the use nor products released for the sale or supply until their quality has been decided to be satisfactory. Means the meaning is same, only the sentence building is different. In general, quality control consists of testing of the selected in-process material and finished products to evaluate the performance of the manufacturing process and to ensure adherence to the proper specifications and limit. According to next is the concept of the quality assurance. According to WHO, what exactly is the quality assurance? Now I think you might have been clear about the idea of quality and the quality control. Quality means the product should have its identity, its safety, it should be efficient, it should be pure, it should be having the required strength in it, then that product is called of a good quality. Quality control means we have to check before releasing the product, we have to check all the tests, we have to perform all the tests, we have to check all the parameters of that product, and then only it is able to release into the market. But before releasing into the market, there should be the cross checking of the quality of the product. Okay, means final documentation of that product and whether that product is really of a good quality, whether it really matches to the standards, that is decided into the quality assurance phase. Okay, so quality assurance is a large concept which covers all matters that individually or collectively influence the quality of a product. It is the sum of arrangements made with the object of ensuring that pharmaceutical products are of quality required for their intended use. Okay, quality assurance therefore incorporates GMP and other factors, including those outside the scope of this guide, such as product design and development. According to MCC, South Africa, quality assurance is the sum total of organized arrangements made with the objective of ensuring that medicines are of the quality required for their intended use. Okay, means to finally decide that is this medicine of a standard quality or not. Okay, that insurity of checking the quality of a medicine is actually called as a quality assurance. It is thus a big concept which covers all matters affecting quality. It is the sum total of the organized arrangement made with the objective of ensuring the medicinal product are of quality required for their ultimate use. Thus, quality assurance includes the review and approval of all procedures related to production, maintenance, review of associated records, auditing, and performing the trend analysis. Next concept is the quality management. Management means overall process, that how we can, means what is the problem, how we should cover it so that maximum profit can be achieved within a minimum time and the product achieved will be of a good quality. Okay, so all this process is called as a quality management. So quality management is defined as the aspect of management function that identify and implements the quality policy, that is the overall intention and direction of an organization regarding quality as formally expressed and authorized by the top management. It is done by the top management. They identify, they decide what they want to achieve, and accordingly they plan and they work and tell their employees to work accordingly so as to achieve the target. The process of all this is called as a quality management. Next concept is the good manufacturing practices. According to WHO, GMP is a part of a quality assurance which ensures that products are regularly produced and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to their intended use and as required by the marketing authorization. Means GMP means it is a part of quality assurance. Means here we are achieving the good quality of a product by following all the standard procedures, by controlling the quality of the product so as it matches to the standards and as per the marketing authorization. Okay, according to MCC, GMP is a part of a quality assurance which ensures that products are consistently produced and controlled to the quality standards appropriate for their required use and the legal requirements. GMP is thus concerned with both production and quality control matters. Next is concept of quality control. Components of the quality control. Adequate facilities means what are the different parameters which affects the quality of the product. First is the adequate facility should be there. Whatever facility is required for manufacturing, for checking the quality, for assuring, for maintaining the quality of a product, all should be available. Then and then only we will get the product of a good quality. Trained personnel should be there. If the person is not having the skill, not having the knowledge related with the formulation or checking the quality of that product, then he cannot perform well. So he should be well trained. Approved procedure should be there, should be available for sampling, inspecting, testing of the starting material, packaging material, intermediate, bulk and finished products. Means all process, all procedure whatever you are following, it should be approved, it should be mentioned into the in the IP, BP, USP. Okay, and where appropriate for checking environmental conditions for GMP purpose. Okay, so this all components should be there so as to achieve the good quality of a product. Other activities of the quality control departments are to develop, validate and use all the quality control procedure, maintain required standards and reagent. Okay, so first activity of a quality control department is to develop the quality control procedure, to develop the new procedure which is required for maintaining the quality of a product, to validate that procedure, to maintain the standards, means reference standard, reagents required for performing the work, performing the test. To maintain them is the responsibility of a quality control department. To check, maintain and store reference and working standard for substances is also the responsibility of a quality control department. To cross check the labeling of the container of material and product. Okay, means if the product is of a good quality but its label is not correct, then the whole procedure will get wrong. So for that purpose, checking the containers, labels on the containers and the product is the responsibility of the quality control department. To check whether the stability of the pharmaceutical ingredient and product is regularly monitored or not is also the responsibility of the quality control department. To participate in the investigations of complaints related to the quality of a product, means any complaint regarding the product is arrived, then to investigate it, to take the corrective action on it is the responsibility of the quality control department. To participate in environmental monitoring, means our industry is not performing any kind of environmental hazard. To participate in that program is the responsibility of the quality control department. To check the finished product after evaluation, all factors including the production condition, IPQC results, manufacturing, packaging, documentation, compliance with the specification of finished product and examination of the finished product is the responsibility of the quality control department. Next is concept of quality assurance. Functions of quality assurance department. First is to ensure the pharmaceutical products are designed and developed according to GMP, GLP, GVP and GCP. Quality assurance means it is totally related with only cross-checking the quality of a product. Okay, quality means it should have all the 5 parameters which we have already studied in our first slide. If the product is having that all the parameters, they are developing the product so that it have all these 5 parameters means controlling the quality, and to cross check that whether these all parameters are actually present in that compound or not. Is this product matching with the standards or not? Is this product safe? Is this product pure? Is this product efficient? To check it is the responsibility of a quality assurance department. Okay, so in that, first responsibility of quality assurance department is to check that all the processes followed in the quality in the pharmaceutical industry are according to the GMP, means good manufacturing practices, GLP means good laboratory practices, GVP means good veterinary practices, and GCP means good clinical practices. Okay, second, to ensure that production and quality control parameters are clearly specified in the written form. Okay, means whatever results you are obtained while checking the quality of the product, all the results and the control means standards are written and are mentioned, document is prepared, and to ensure that, to check that document is the responsibility of the quality control departments, means to compare the obtained results with the standard ones is the responsibility of a quality assurance department. Next, to check whether proper arrangement are made for the manufacture, supply and use of the correct starting and packaging material. To verify all necessary controls on starting material, intermediate product, bulk products and other in-process control, calibration and validations are carried out. Means whatever necessary test on the starting material, intermediate products are actually performed or not, whatever equipments you are using, they are calibrated, validated or not. To check that is also one of the responsibility of quality assurance department. To ensure that finished product is processed correctly or not according to the defined procedure, means to only cross check that whatever procedure you have decided to manufacture the product, accordingly the product is manufactured or not. To check that is the responsibility of a quality assurance department. Next, to ensure that pharmaceutical products are not sold or supplied before the certification by authorized person to avoid post-marketing hazard. Means before releasing that product, all the tests are done correctly or not, whatever results are obtained, they are matching with the standards or not. Is there any certificate, means the product is signed by the authorized person and then released into the market. To check this all things so that the post marketing hazards, means after marketing, after distribution, the complaints regarding that products or the side effects of that product will not occur. So for that purpose, to ensuring the quality of a product before releasing that the product into the market is responsibility of a quality assurance department. Next, to check that satisfactory arrangement exists, that is pharmaceutical products are stored by the manufacturer, distributed and subsequently handled so that quality is maintained throughout their shelf life. Means overall storage of the pharmaceutical product, overall storage of the raw materials, the in-process product, finished products, okay, so is checked by the quality assurance department so that there is no problem regarding the shelf life or quality of the product. To ensure that there is a procedure of self inspection and or quality audit. means self inspection, that is the inspection done by the members of that industry into the industry. Okay, means own inspection or self inspection, which is done by the members which are already working in that industry. Okay, the head of the production, head of the quality control, head of the quality assurance department, manager, they all come together, they inspect the premises, they check the quality, they check that whether all the raw materials, all the process is done correctly or not, all the materials are stored correctly or not, all the equipments are calibrated, equipment validated or not. All this insurity, all this checking or inspection, auditing is done by the quality assurance department. And next, to monitor the production environment and deviations are adequately noted, investigated and resolved. Okay, means to check the premises, that what environment, whether it affects the environment, whether foreign particles are entering, whether the cleanliness hygienic practices are followed or not. All this is checked by the quality assurance department. If any deviations are obtained, they are noted down and they are resolved accordingly. So these are the responsibilities of the quality control quality assurance department. Responsibilities of quality assurance: first is the providing leadership, structure the organization, build a quality system to meet the requirement, establish different policies, objectives and plans, means what we have, what our industry want to achieve, how we have to work accordingly, what policies the industry is providing to the employees, all this, and review whole system. So these are the main responsibilities of the quality assurance department. Next is the quality management concept. Quality should be built into the product and testing alone cannot ensure the product quality. Means if we are not preparing the product by maintaining the quality, if we are not using the example, if we are using the raw materials of the very low quality or adulterated raw materials, and then obviously our final product achieved will be of a less quality. But if we are following good manufacturing practices, we are using the high quality raw materials, we are performing the test by using the standard procedures, and ultimately the product will obtain of a good quality. So only testing will not ensure the quality of a product, but the quality of a product should be built into it while manufacturing. So quality management concept involves following concept. First is the quality, that is all 5 parameters should be present in the product, that is in identity, strength, safety, efficacy and purity. Next is quality by design and product development. It means designing and developing the pharmaceutical product during product development stage to achieve the product having desired characteristic. Means first of all we have to plan that what we want to achieve, what parameters, what characteristics should be present in our product. Accordingly we have to manufacture the product so that we will get the product of a good quality which will match with the desired characteristics. Next is risk management and risk assessment. Means here we manage, we first of all assess that what risk may happen while manufacturing the product and how we can manage that risk. Okay, what corrective action we can take. So by doing the risk assessment and by managing that risk, by managing that problem, by solving the problem, by taking the required corrective actions, we can manage the quality of a product. And last is the corrective and preventive actions. It has 3 aspects, that is remedial correction, means immediately correction whatever problem. Example, if you are manufacturing the tablets and you see that the capping and lamination of the tablet is takes place, then immediately you stop the your tablet punching machine. That type of a correction, that is remedial, means immediately you are taking any corrective action so that the future loss of the batch will not take place. That kind of a correction is called remedial correction. Second is root cause analysis with corrective action to prevent a recurrence. Means we have to find out why that lamination and capping of the tablet has occurred. What is the root cause behind it? That the punches are broken. So you take the corrective action that you replace the new punches on the place of the old one, so that the next tablets from the same batch will not get laminated and capped. Okay, so this type of correction is called as a root cause analysis with corrective action. And third one is preventive action to prevent initial occurrence. Means first of all, before starting the tablet punching machine, we have to see that the punches are okay or they are getting means they can get break, they are damaged. Okay, are the screws correctly fitted or not. So to first of all check the your equipment, whether it is properly calibrated, whether it is properly validated, whether it is in a good condition, and then you have to go for using it so that the loss will not occur, the problem will not arise. Okay, so this kind of a correction is called as a prevention action to prevent the initial occurrence. Objectives of the quality management are: first, provide standard quality product; second, prevent or reduce the number of recalls, returns, salvaged products and defective products coming into the market; third, to handle various changes in relation to equipment and processes without need for regulatory submission; to help in getting quality by design; to achieve success in business; to increase the productivity; to improve the risk management, and to increase the profitability. So for all these functions, the quality management system is required into the industry. And last concept is the concept of good manufacturing practices. It helps to ensure the consistently quality and safety of a product by focusing attention on 5 key elements, which are often referred to as 5 P's of GMP. Means GMP focus on 5 P's. First is people, means those people who are working in that industry, who are manufacturing, who are checking the quality of the product, everyone. Okay, so people. Premises means the area where you are manufacturing the product. Next, process means what procedure you are what process you are going to follow. Next, products means what raw material, what quality of excipients you are going to handle, and procedure, what procedure you are going to follow for preparing. If all these P are of good quality, ultimately you will achieve the 6th P, that is the profit. Functions of the GMP. The main function of GMP is to diminish the risk of mix-up and contamination. Means to avoid the contamination, to achieve the good quality of a product, to avoid the mix-up, the good manufacturing practices is carried out. All manufacturing process should be clearly defined. Critical steps of manufacturing process and any significant changes made to the process validated. All necessary facilities are provided, including adequate premises, space, qualified person in the required number, suitable equipments, etc. And training is given to the operator to carry out procedures correctly. Thank you.